passenger elevator at 201 North Braddock Avenue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So sorry that it's so dark down here. This is actually restricted and I don't feel like turning on the light. There's an annunciator there. It's like an old Otis Gen2 flashing indicator. Sorry you can't see the color, but you'll see once it opens. You'll see white. Yeah, the annunciator. Yeah, Sally's put on manual Kaestner Hecht freight elevator, which I did film when it was original. See the buttons actually take. Figured basement would be locked. 6. Here we go. They actually extended it to 5 and 6. Back on the ground, the really dark floor. Carburetor, basement one. Yeah, it is actually launched. That one just a bit hard pressed. And they found there's a bunch of signs in the elevator saying no carts. I guess I had an issue with that. I'm just being prepared. Tin can cab. It sails to a hospital-sized cab. I like how they used as much of the space as they could. There's just a passenger-sized cabin. They definitely wanted to use as much of the space as they could.